Little Jeep wave. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Yes. Yep, you're good. Okay, straighten out. Straighten. Okay, hold that line. There you go. There you go. Nice. There you go, perfect. Okay, a little more driver. Hold that line. There you go. Stay there, stay there. All right, start cutting passenger as you come up. Just a little bit. That's good, that's good. You're good there. Stay driver a little bit. Okay. Steve-O on Vietnam. Little Jeep wave. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Yes. That was rad.
You want to go high on the wall with your driver's side.
Stay driver. There you go. And then bump it. Oh. Nope, you're gonna have to reset. Oh no, no, you got it. Yes! Oh, yeah! Nice!
Yeah, try to climb that.
Oh! Hey, your front locker's not on. There you go. Hold that line. Little driver. Stay driver. There you go. Hold that line. There you go. Perfect.
Steven wanted a spot when he comes up.
All right. Hey, just remember, lockers are your friend, man.
Yeah, I forgot.
Nice. Oh, yes. Oh, that was sick. That was sick, man.
Wow, that felt great.
You know, I kind of thought your wheelbase was really going to help you on that. But...
Yeah, wheelbase. Well, I thought so too, but I was totally worried with the audience that I was going to fail. No, he didn't.
go. You're good. That's good. That's good. Oh, he's gonna freaking roll this first try. Oh yes! Hell yes! Oh, look at like freaking smooth as butter. Oh, you're good. You don't even have to reset. Just keep going. Ha That was awesome, dude. Real slow. The sand coming out. It's one way to clean underneath the seat. Yeah. That's good. That's it. You're good. You're good. Oh, look at that wind. Okay, hold on. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, get back up there. Oh my god. Oh, he told me. I didn't bring any. You're totally fine.
You're fine.
You're not going anywhere.
Yeah, you're planted.
Woo!
I think you're just turn faster. Yeah, just push yourself over. There you go. There you go. Now go full driver. This is your last one. You got it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Why do we do these things?
Janine, if he rolls the Jeep, he said he's sorry. You just didn't hear him say it. More passenger if you can. Oh, wow. No.
Go hard fast there. That's right, you're okay. There you go. Back driver.
Oh.
Okay, you're alright. All it did was turn.
Yeah.
You're alright.
Just push the mirror in. That's all it did.
That's the. Hold that line. driver. More driver.
A lot more driver. Oh, is he gonna slip? Oh no!
Oh, slow. Fight it, driver. Just fight it, driver.
He's not gonna make it! He's gonna make it!
All you can really do is just fight it, driver. Okay.
You gotta keep going, driver. Yeah, keep going, driver. There you go. There you go. Yes, yes.
Start slowly coming off.
Hey, driver, watch his rear tire. Watch his rear tire. Oh my God. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Yeah. Right on.
There it is.
There you go.
Oh, that's pretty. All right, you got him on this side?
Yeah.
I'll just watch this side, make sure he looks good. That looks great, Matt. That looks perfect.
Little driver.
Better line than me.
Little driver.
Yeah.
Little driver. There we go. Little driver. Little driver. Little driver. Hey, drive. Little more driver. Give me more driver.
You're okay. I'm watching you.
I want driver.
You're good.
Right there. I want more driver. Hey, drive. Look more driver. Give me more driver.
You're okay. I'm watching you.
Dude, another perfect line. Another Sadowski line. I'm gonna call perfection a Sadowski from now on. I was just say Sadowski.
You got a good line here.
Okay.
Hold that line. Yeah, he's sliding.
Hold that line.
Okay.
Hold that line. This tire, I don't want to lose this tire though off the.
Yeah, he's okay. He's okay. Just hang on.
Okay. all
You're
right.
okay.
I think it'll pull up. He thinks the same thing too. So.
You're good.
Okay.
This looks really good. It's a great line. Stay driver. Stay driver.
Oh, look at that rear tire. Shite. Oh my God. Rear tire's gonna pop off. Off the ledge. Off the ledge, I mean.
Cheat into it. More driver. Stay driver if you can. You're okay.
Oh! Still worked out well.